Let's start with a brilliant take on micro-apartment living, where every inch counts. Designed by Anthill Studio, this compact space is a masterclass in efficiency and elegance. They achieved this through innovative and thoughtfully designed storage, along with multifunctional and transformable furniture. Every detail has been meticulously planned, showcasing how smart design can turn small living into a spacious and functional experience. The home office? It appears when needed and disappears just as easily, just like the bed. Even storage and essential services like the washer and dryer are neatly hidden behind sliding doors to maintain a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Next up, check out these two incredible space-saving designs by Camilo Calle. First, the DIY rotating wardrobe, originally designed for kids, but honestly, it's a game changer for anyone. This clever wardrobe features dedicated space for hanging clothes, built-in drawers for shoes, and extra compartments for all the little essentials. Then, there's the sliding bathroom door with built-in storage, a smart two-in-one solution. Perfect for keeping toiletries, towels, and other bathroom necessities neatly organized. Finding enough seating for a growing family while maximizing space can be a challenge, but this multifunctional bench has you covered. With a simple flip, the backrest transforms into a tabletop, making it perfect for everything from morning coffee to crafting sessions or even a last-minute picnic spot on the porch. Despite being lightweight enough to move around effortlessly, it's sturdy, well-balanced, and won't tip over. A bench, a table, and extra seating, all in one. But here's the real question. Would you use it more for relaxing or for getting things done? If you love vintage multifunctional furniture, here are 3 space-saving gems from mid-century friends that prove good design never goes out of style. First up is the Poppy Vintage Folding Table by Niels Gammelgaard from the 1980s. This eye-catching piece is as practical as it is stylish. Next, the Modular DS-164sofa, a true game-changer in adaptable furniture. Featuring a revolutionary back-push mechanism, this sofa transforms from an open seating area into a sleek chaise longue with a single movement. The 360-degree rotatable backrest allows it to conform to any floor plan, making it the perfect fit for ever-changing needs. And finally, the Multifunctional DS-142 sofa by Winfried Totzek. More than just a sofa, this masterpiece boasts individually adjustable back and armrests, shifting seamlessly into different positions. Whether you need a cozy lounge chair, a supportive recliner, or a stylish statement piece, the DS-142 does it all. Which of these vintage icons would you want in your home? Moving on, let's check out the Prontoletto Pouf bed. Designed by Divani Santambrogio, this cleverly crafted ottoman is a game-changer for small apartments. At first glance, it looks like a sleek, square-shaped pouf, but with a quick transformation, it unfolds into a ready-to-use single bed. From the same designer comes the Easy Bunk Bed Double Asterisk. This space-saving innovation shifts effortlessly between a stylish couch and a sturdy bunk bed using an Italian mechanism that works in just a few simple moves. It even features a built-in ladder that seamlessly integrates into the structure, only appearing when needed. And last but not least, the 11 Automatic Sofa Bed. A luxurious fusion of comfort and functionality. Crafted with a solid, poplar, and beechwood frame. This leather sofa is built to last. The seat combines elastic straps with biconical steel springs for ultimate support, while the hypoallergenic water foam padding ensures a plush experience. Moving to the kitchen, check out these amazing designs from Zortaş Concept Design. A pull-out kitchen countertop gives you extra workspace when needed. A push-to-open pantry system, an easy and sleek storage solution. How would you rate this out of 10? If you love hidden storage, this spiral cellar is a game changer. Whether you want it to stand out or stay completely out of sight. With motorized concealed doors, it fits perfectly with all kinds of flooring, whether it's tile, timber, or even heavy-grade materials like flagstone and limestone. A smart way to keep things tucked away without wasting an inch of space. Wine cellar, storage, or game room. What would you use this hidden basement for? Here's a genius space-saving solution. This vertical Murphy bunk bed hides away in a sleek cabinet when not in use. With just a simple pull, 2 single bunk beds unfold, complete with a built-in ladder that doubles as structural support. Plus, the top bunk comes with optional guardrails for added safety. If 2 single bunk beds aren't enough, why not take it up a notch with a triple bunk bed? Next up, check out this genius kitchen peninsula with a built-in extending dining table. Got guests coming over? Just slide the table out and voila, instant dining space. Next, check out the Shiro lift from Winda, an innovative solution designed to make life easier for individuals with disabilities. This lift provides a safe and direct way to navigate between floors with ease. With high-quality engineering and reliable materials, the Shiro lift ensures smooth operation and efficiency. Plus, it's customizable to blend perfectly with your home's decor. Next, meet the transformer table, a workstation by day and a dining table by night. Designed for small apartments, home offices, and multi-purpose rooms, this clever piece adapts to your needs in just seconds. Need space for monitors? No problem. The folding tabletop stores them neatly, keeping your workspace clutter-free. Whether you're working, dining, or gaming, this multifunctional table is the perfect space-saving solution for a modern lifestyle. Next, check out the Omnia Dream Station's cot chair, your secret weapon for surprise guests. This clever cot chair and one-half sleeper transforms in seconds. Just lift the back, pull out the mattress, and voila. You've got a cozy 84 centimeters by 203 centimeters cot mattress ready to go. Who said the perfect kitchen doesn't exist? Check out this, pure genius. Next, the TS folding chair became a standout piece in modern design, praised for its smart, space-saving concept and sleek look. Next, this table extends with a unique effect that not only looks amazing but also boosts the usable space, making it both stylish and one of a kind. And to wrap things up, let's talk about the Lisa convertible chair. Designed for modern living, this sleek chair isn't just about looks. Need to kick back and relax? It easily transforms into a chaise lounge. Got an overnight guest? In seconds, it converts into a comfy twin bed. What's not to love about this versatile piece of furniture?